CEO Regional Football Association, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude Kubasadi Group. Emeleni ngathi le sponsor lesi, it's one of the biggest sponsors listener Sogaho Regional Football Association. Actually it's the biggest because now buga loke ukuthi Ibasadi has not come only for football. Iphinze yasisita kwa Kennel Ground. It was a lot of money. I can imagine, Mr. Mkonda Gwegutsi, we used more than 80 cubic, 12 cubics to put that ground libe at a playable level. You have left an infrastructure which will be a lifetime. Infrastructure. Basadi has come at a very, very right time, and what we have done, I don't think Banbasembabane kutawusuka etingondweni tabo bekuthi sithole infrastructure as part of the sponsorship. Stabonga ke nebasesemi school lokuthi basinikete le opportunity kwekuthi we can utilize le ground lela. Sibonge kakhulu, sibonge ne city council Sembabane where we are based lokuthi basibambise nabo ukuthi such an endeavor ingendeka lapha. Sibonga kakhulu nje kakhulu kuBasadi. We have opened a lot of opportunities for the youngsters Talana Alambabane because lokunye lesikubongako awukasihlukanisi. Labanye base west, labanye base east. You sponsored the league all together. We are very grateful for that. Ngitawubonga ke nema directors ema clubs ukuthi kubebete umsindo. It's a seamless competition up to where it is now. Sibonga kakhulu nje. Sibonge ke nesive sakhona la eMbabane. They've supported these games. We have seen them in numbers. Games. Now we've got two big football fields in Mbabane. For the time memorial, bantu bakumawhalala nabongwalini bebasuka ngale betemsunduza. So now we are asking laba lebe batutane namsunduza now. We are inviting them ukuthi nabo asebahambe baye ngale ngesheya kumawhalala bayobukela babuyisele tinyawo bekunene kuyendiwa lento leyo mawubuka ukuthi iminyaka lengaka bekusolo kudlalwa emsunduza and the like. So now it's time ukuthi siye ngale mawhalala siba support nathi kula kwendile sithi nje singiwo Regional Football Association, let us all support this initiative and sikele bonke bantu ngalo Saturday basoshito mabhalane ema games aqala nga12 kuyoze kube ngisenzihambama. So sicela nje ukuthi wonke umuntu etato supporter and sicela ke ukuthi nitiphathe kahle nakusadlala lemidlalo. Sibavile bakaBasadi ngibona lebakucela kubona balethe imidlalo not lokunye lokubheka eceleni lokungenda kube sithombe lesibi. Let us keep the image beautiful as it entered lakaho bekude lokubi lebe sikuvile ngaBasadi. Let us leave it like that. Bekunene lokunye ke lekufuna sikukhute mhlambe let us not hold football at ransom. Let us allow Ebola ibe free flowing. It's a very important that thing. We have to be united. We have to protect this sport because people le sport les basebenzisa for to achieve timpilo tabo letinhle ngaso. So let us protect this sport. Let it give talent. Kukhona abantu labathola imisebenzi through this sport. So asingasibambini ke ngabhongwane silimate. Let's keep the image of the sport ibe beautiful. Maybe ke njengoba bese ngikhazile ukuthi Basadi is not only sponsoring ibhola, but they left us with a very good infrastructure. Let us utilize the infrastructure perfectly well and protect it. Sikhumbule ne-environment. Wekuthi lena nje nawudla awulahli phansi. Let us not leave that place dirty. Let us be responsible. Kuhlale nje kukahle kumqoka lokho. Ngitawubonga ke tinzatheli nje kuwo onke ama media houses nekuma online platforms. Sibonga kakhulu lokuthi ni support bekunene. Angati ukuthi singenda njani ngivile ke director waBasadi athi there are things which they want to be innovative eminyakeni letako. Ukhona ke la angithi mhlenge ukhona lana umphathi. Nani you should come up with some innovations and assist us to make this tournament bigger and better and more people driven rather than personal driven. Asiyende ukuthi ikhange bantfu ibe yebantfu ibe positive etimpilweni tebantfu. That is very important. So stauva ukuthi nini beningapropose uproposile umhlongwane lala. So nini nje we might not know ukuthi exactly what will make you guys maybe happy and the like. So it's a chance nje. Let me the briefing here, it's also for that. We will see how best can we make this tournament even much better. Then maybe nothing congratulate Emma teams which have made it up to this far. The possible champions. Give me a winner bong. But just congratulate guys which we have worked hard. I know it's very tricky la Mbabane to win a game. So look figure lana we have conquered a number of wars along the way. So siyanibongela kakhulu. Singabongi ke nini kuphela. Sibonge nalama teams who participated. This is a 3-year tournament. Abahambe bayo re-strategize kahle and come up a force to reckon maybe to win this tournament next edition. So loku nanje emhlungwana thina etanda tethu tahlala tivulekile. Usibongele kakhulu nje kulabanye bo director bale company ne staff ukuthi nikubone kukuhle ukuthi nite la kithi kaho. And it's also encouraging to hear ukuthi cha so far nisephatheke kahle and vele we are always open for change and advices with how best can we run this tournament. Sibonga kakhulu nje bekunene. I thank you.